Hello and welcome to this video brought to you by the Luwizart. My name is Emmanuel Okafo and I hope you all are doing well. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be taking through the process of using the Pose Library add-on. So this is an upgrade from the existing Pose Library add-on we have inside Blender because it's more user-friendly, because it gives you thumbnails that you can use to be able to select each of these posts. I'm going to be taking through the process of installing these and also how to work with this. This is not so difficult because it works in conjunction with the already existing Pose library inside Blender. So let's get started. What you want to do is, before you get started, you want to click on the link so you'll be able to download the Pose library add-on. The link will allow you to just quickly go straight to the download link and you can have it saved onto your system. And once you're done with that, you can go to your user preference and click on the add-on button, and now you can click on install, locate the folder where you have the add-on installed, then you can check on it and save your user preference in case you want to use it in the future, of course. Next, we'll bring in the rig that we'll be using for this tutorial. So any rig will do. You want to click on the plus icon after you set up the pose, and of course it's always nice to name it, especially if you have multiple poses and you want to be organized in that fashion. So this is pretty straightforward. You can preview the rig by the poses by just clicking on the third icon, which is a search icon. So I want to create another pose using the Pupa animation library to just quickly get a pose. So Pupa allows you to be able to use different type of animation just with a few clicks. Once you click on it, you can click on the plus icon, name it as usual. So this is pretty standard and it has always existed inside Blender. So like poses. So now let's quickly set up our camera to be able to generate thumbnails for the Pose library add-on. So it's nice to use square dimensions, so it looks more appealing to the eyes. Also, using a focal length of 100 makes it even more appealing. Now for the thumbnail, you just need to click on viewport render, so it just takes a nice snapshot from the view of your camera, and that it takes a few seconds to generate. And once you're happy with that, you can save that out. So let's quickly create a nice thumbnail for this. So same thing, we position the camera, take a snapshot, and then we save it out to the project folder. So you have to have these images or thumbnails inside the folder to be able to use it. You can't just have it lying around. You have to make it organized, especially if you're working in a production. So with the add-on, all you just need to do is add, and you have to have the pose enabled, and you can select the preferred thumbnail, and it's just going to load it in, and that's all you need to do. So you don't need to do much. Basically that's it. You can do it for, let's click on the thumbnail and you can see it previews it now for you. Okay, position. So that's the basic process. As you can see, we can switch between multiple Pose libraries. So like the use of the Pose library surpasses just generating thumbnail, which is already awesome enough. It also allows you to be able to create flip, kind of mirror the poses of your character. So if you have the character hand and the fist created in one position, you can actually mirror that easily using the Pose library. All you just need to do is check on the flip checkbox, and that does it for you. And it has a very nice preview. You can see it right in the Pose library as the image flips around. So that's it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you wish to see more from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like so that more Blender users can see it. So it was nice sharing this information with you guys. So thank you so much. Bye bye for now. See you next time.